Look at the exercise 15.1. Question number 1. In a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. The total number of trials is what? It is given that the total number of trials, how many balls she placed? She faced 30 balls. So the total number of trials is 30, and then out of these 30 balls she hits a boundary 6 times. The number of times the ball touched the boundary. How many times? 6 times, I think. It is given that 6 times. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, the question is what? What is the probability that she did not hit a boundary? So, you can do in two ways. What? Either you can find the number of times the ball missed the boundary. The number of times the ball missed the boundary. The ball missed the boundary is, so out of 30 balls she hits 6 times. So 30 minus 6, which is equal to 24. That is the number of times the ball missed the boundary. Now what is the event here? Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So event of, let the event be, what is the event here? Let the event be, let the event of not hitting the boundary. The event of, here what is the event? Not hitting the boundary. B we are taking as E. Then what is P of E then? P of E means what? Number of times the batswoman does not hit a boundary. That means that is a favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is what? 24 by the total number of trials, that is 30. So 30. Now you can simplify more. 6 4 are 24. 5 6 are, 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. So 4 by 5. Are you getting there? Yes. Come to the question number 2 now. 1500 families with the 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. The number of girls in a family, that 2 children, that number of families 475, and the number of girls in a family 1, that number of families 814. There is no girl child in a family, number of families is given 211. Now the question is, compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls. What is the first what it is given? The total number of families, it is given that 1500. Total number of families, it's given that 1500. That is number of families surveyed. How much? 1500. Yeah. Now the first question is what? What is the probability of getting? Find the probability of getting chosen at random having 2 girl child. Am I right? Yeah. That first part is number of families having 2 girl child. Number of families having 2 girl child. Having 2 girls. It is given that 2 girls, how much? 475. Now the probability of selecting a family having, probability of, the P means probability, okay? Otherwise I will write probability of selecting a family, probability of selecting a family having 2 girls. What is the total number of family having 2 girls? 475. The total number of families surveyed, how much? 1500. 1500. 475 upon 1500. Now simplify, you can simplify more. Yeah. 9 5s are 45, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Then again 3 5s are 15, 300, 19 5s are 95, 6 5s are 30, 60, which is equal to 19 by 60. 19 by 60. Am I right, sir? Yeah. Now come to the second part. The second part is compute the probability of getting that chosen family is having 1 girl child. So number of families having 1 girl child, having 1 girl, that is equal to, here how many families are having only 1 girl child? 814 family. So the probability of getting, selecting a family having 1 girl child, having 1 girl, that is equal to, what is the total number of families having only 1 girl child? Exactly 814 upon 1500, that is the total number of families surveyed. Am I right, dear? So after simplifying, what will you get? It goes with 2 table. Am I right, dear? Yeah. So 407 divided by 750, which is equal to 407 by 750. 407 by 750. Are you getting, dear? Yes. Third part is number of families having no girl child, having no girl. That no girl means what? Both are boys. Yes. That means how much it is given? 211. Now the probability of selecting, a family having no girl child, that is equal to 211 upon 1500. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, and also they asked us to find the sum of the obtained probabilities, that is sum of the probabilities obtained from subdivision 1, subdivision 2 and subdivision 3. Now the sum of the obtained probabilities, the sum of the obtained probabilities, the sum of the obtained probabilities is, so answer for the first one is how much, dear? Yeah, that is what it is given for the first part. Yeah, 475 by 1500. And then for the second one is 814 by 1500. And then for the third part 211 by 1500. So when we are adding all this, see 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, remaining 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, remaining 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. So 1500 by 1500, which is equal to 1. Yes. So we completed the question number 2. In the next video, we will discuss the solution for the question number 3 and question number 4. Thank you.